Nice!
No seats, we finna.
No seats in the R34. Hey, what was your name again?
Maverick.
Maverick, Corbin. Okay, my back's broken. I'm kind of like hunched in the corner, so we're good.
Oh shit.
Yeah. This is something. Press your backpack.
I better hold on.
Oh yeah. Cop? Uh-oh.
What cop?
Maybe they're trolling.
Where? No, I don't think they were trolling that.
You don't know. Oh, really?
Oh, she ain't coming. I don't fucking trust this. Earlier I saw a cop just like 5 minutes ago.
You do roll racing?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
She sounded out of See, we got someone.
Honestly, from all the cars taking off and stuff. Perfect downshift.
I fuck up all the time. It's a shame you used to hearing me.
So, there's no seats, guys.
They say that love is
Sorry.
It's so sad I feel.
It's Corky.
Was that intentional?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm like, if you accidentally, like, somehow. Oh, God.
She pulls. Dude, she pulls hard.
So we died, so we
Damn, I was not expecting that one. That one threw me off.
Yeah, you gotta keep your back to the
You know?
space here. Young and we broke. There goes the pop pops.
It's a cup. Oh no.
Holy fucking shit.
So this is what I just rode in. This is what broke my back 50 freaking thousand times. Please don't lose control. Woo! There goes my eardrums. Oh my God, that's so loud. Big shout out to Maverick. Thank you so much for the ride in the Camaro. A little bit of a backstory. So I asked to hop in, didn't realize there were no seats, but when I'm back there, someone gets in next to me. There's no turning back at this point. He shifts down. The first time he punches it, oh my gosh, this Camaro is so brutal. And the audio stereo system he has is absolutely kicking. Regardless, I got a great video from the back of the Camaro. Imagine what I could do from the front seat though. Wink, wink. But for sure, this was an experience to behold. I hope to see what he does with the build. I heard great things of what he's trying to do, and this thing is hella fast. I just want to see this thing in Mexico head to head with a Mustang or something crazy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, and tell me your thoughts on this Camaro. And have a good day. Peace.